I've been making a few heart bowls to sell, and I needed a better way to ship them. My previous method was to grab an old Amazon box, wrap the bowl up in some paper, and ship it off. This worked, but it wasn't quite the experience that I wanted. I decided to standardize on a 12 by 12 by 4 inch box to make things easy. I figured it would be easy to make a custom package out of 1 inch solid foam board insulation and my CNC machine. This insulation is pretty cheap from Home Depot, and it costs $35 for a 4 foot by 8 foot sheet, and I can make one package from one rip of the 4 feet at 12 inches. That means the 8 foot length will give me 8 packages for one sheet at about $4.38 per package. The cardboard box is about $1. Shipping is about $10, so I'm looking at about $15 to $16 to ship bowls somewhere in the continental US. For a 4 inch shipping box, I could glue up 3 1 inch pieces to make the package and use one 1 inch piece for the lid to get me to the 4 inches. I used an adhesive spray to glue them up, which was super fast. I also painted the top with a touch of white spray paint to make it stand out more when I machined it. The acetone in the spray paint tends to eat out the foam, so I couldn't add too much. Designing the package in CAD took some thought. Simply doing a cutout of the heart bowl shape from a 4 inch block wouldn't produce a shape where the bowl could be dropped in down to the package. So I exported the CAD file from Fusion 360 into Blender. In Blender, I used geometry nodes to mathematically take any normals pointing up and set the position value for that point to be the top. This is a little mathematically complex, but it produced a solid shape that I could use in Fusion to make my package. Accuracy isn't super important, so I used an alignment piece to orient my work and clamp to the CNC. I did a roughing pass and a final cleanup pass with my 1/4 inch ball nose bit. I needed a way for the 1 inch package top to be easily lifted off, so I designed some finger grips in Fusion 360. While I was at it, I added some text so it looked cool. So I taped up a box, pushed in the packaging, and here is the unboxing experience for a customer. These 2 bowls are available for sale on my website. Go check it out. Thanks everyone.